Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal July, day 30. Can't believe we're finally nearly ready with this challenge. So let's dive in today's prompt of shine and find one of my final empty spreads in my junk journal for today to fill it up with this beautiful shiny packaging from perfume. I thought this packaging was really beautiful, and I really like the fabric-y kind of velvet-like texture of the packaging, as well as the dark green is perfect with the golden shiny text on it, and that's what made me think about that would be the perfect thing for today's prompt. And also, I really wanted to include some junk kind of in the junk journaling challenge. I feel like I did do quite a bit of just beautiful ephemera things. My junk journal, as it is, might be some more junk, but most of it is beautiful paper stuff, what I would say. Only the packaging prompts are kind of those where I did really use some junk for the journaling spread, so I thought it would be nice to include that packaging into the junk journal spread. Also, that's kind of the thing that is really beautiful, and you kind of keep it for whatever reason because it's just beautiful, but you never do anything with it, or I'm not doing something with it, and then it always lays around for me to use someday, maybe in the future, who knows. And so I thought it would be perfect to just include it into the journal and use it for today's prompt of shine. How is it with your junk journal? Did you use more junk in the junk journal or more ephemera and beautiful paper pieces like I did as well in the last few days? And how is your junk journal challenge going in general? I'm really excited. Can't believe we did it and we all sticked through it, and I'm so happy and thankful for all your lovely feedback and support. It really helped me pushing through and doing the daily creations as well as creating a daily video about it. Thanks so much for spending all that creative time in July with me, and I hope you enjoyed spending those creative moments with me as much as I enjoyed creating those times for all of you. I'm here adding a quote to add to today's spread with the golden shiny marker to add some more shine to the page. can't wait for tomorrow's final video for Junk Journal July, and I can't believe we already are at the really final spread. I will definitely talk about that more tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's little simple journaling spread and the more junky part of the junk journaling spread, but I thought this packaging was so beautiful, so it's kind of beautiful junk, perfect for a junk journaling spread. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's little creative adventure, give it a thumbs up. That would make me really happy. And if you want to keep in touch, leave me a lovely comment or feedback or any. What's your opinion about Junk Journal July? Did you stick through it? Did you enjoy the challenge? How was it for you? Let me know. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And then see you tomorrow.